Are property prices finally at rock bottom, or is a rebound still out of reach? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Bobo and welcome back to our weekly recap of Hong Kong real estate. This week we'll review the weekend market activity, the sellout success of Yoho West Parkside second round sales, and the sluggish secondary market. Over the weekend, the first-hand market recorded about 301 transactions, a 30% drop compared to the previous week. This decline was mainly because only one major project, Yoho West Parkside in Tin Shui Wai, launched sales. In its second round of sales, 172 units were released and sold out on the same day. Following this, the developer immediately launched a fifth price list offering 87 units with discounted prices ranging from 3.06 million to 8.2 million Hong Kong dollars, or around $9,600 to $15,700 per square foot. Around 20 of these units are priced below 4 million Hong Kong dollars, benefiting from the new stamp duty policy announced in the recent budget. The overall discounted average price per square foot is 11,203 Hong Kong dollars, which is 7% lower than the fourth price list average of $12,079 per square foot. However, this is because the fourth price list mainly featured higher floor units, which raised the overall average price, while the fifth price list includes a mix of low to high floor units. Looking at some of the newly launched units, for example, Unit A2 on the 25th floor of Block 1A is priced at 6.4688 million Hong Kong dollars. This is 0.3% higher than a similar unit on the previous price list, which was one floor lower and priced at 6.4488 million Hong Kong dollars. Excluding the floor difference, this suggests the new units were launched at the same price level as before. The developer has also adjusted prices for 4 units in the first and fourth price lists, increasing prices by 1% to 2.3%. For instance, Unit A5 on the 19th floor of Block 1A was originally priced at 5.2113 million Hong Kong dollars, but has now been increased to 5.3207 million dollars, a rise of about 2.1%. The third round of sales for this project, involving 108 units, is scheduled for this Thursday. Next, Henderson Land's 8 South Park project in Kowloon City held its second round of sales last Saturday, offering 55 units. Over the weekend, around 41 units were sold. According to the developer, 5 groups of buyers purchased 2 units each on the same day. All studio units priced below 4 million Hong Kong dollars after discounts were sold out. One of the latest transactions includes Unit B2 on the 25th floor, measuring 342 square feet. The unit sold for 7.8098 million Hong Kong dollars at about $22,800 per square foot. Other new projects also performed well over the weekend. For instance, 6 units were sold at developments such as High Park in Hung Shui Kiu and State Pavilion in North Point. Meanwhile, Hava in Yuen Long and Grand Seasons in Lohas Park each recorded 5 transactions. The primary property market has been busy for weeks, with big launches and frequent sellouts attracting buyers. Although the secondary market has seen some activity, home prices remain under pressure. Hong Kong's 4 major real estate agencies reported 8 weekend transactions in the top 10 blue-chip housing estates, similar to the previous week, with the biggest weekly increase being 3 deals. Rika Corp CEO Willie Liu observed that the strong performance of new developments has lifted overall buyer confidence. This optimism is also spreading to secondary market sellers, leading to longer price negotiations and slowing transaction activity in the second-hand market. Short-term trends will likely continue to depend on the pace of new launches. Only when developers slow down will more buyers return to the secondary market. For now, small homeowners who have held their homes for around a decade can avoid selling at a loss, which is already a positive sign. However, secondary market prices still need to remain competitive to attract buyers. At City One Sha Tin, a 2-bedroom top-floor unit with a rooftop recently sold for 4.19 million Hong Kong dollars at about $13,700 per square foot. This price is 3 to 4% below the market average, comparable to the prices of mid to lower floor units in the estate. The unit, located on the top floor of Block 50, measures around 300 square feet in size. The original owner purchased it in 2013 for 3.8 million Hong Kong dollars and held the property for 12 years, earning a profit of 390,000 Hong Kong dollars. For comparison, a mid to lower floor unit in Block 47 of the same estate, also 304 square feet, sold in mid-February for 4.06 million Hong Kong dollars. Its price per square foot was similar at around 13,355 Hong Kong dollars. In another case, a unit in Ma'anshan's Double Cove recently sold at a steep loss. The low-floor Unit F in Block 20 with a saleable area of 511 square feet and a 2-bedroom layout sold for 6.23 million Hong Kong dollars at around $12,200 per square foot. The original owner purchased the unit in July of 2020 for 8.58 million Hong Kong dollars. After holding it for 5 years, the original owner incurred a loss of 2.35 million Hong Kong dollars, or 27% of the original purchase price. For more information on the secondhand market, stay till the end of this video for this week's recap of secondhand transactions across each district. That's all for this episode. See you in the next.